a garden full of cheer. Colors dance and flowers cheer. Yellow sun and blue, blue sky. Red, red apples catch my eye. Green, green grass is soft and sweet. Purple plums are fun to eat. Orange carrots in a row. Grow, grow, grow and watch them go. Pink, pink petals on the rose. Rainbow arches when it blows. Teddy bears and friendly frogs jumping over leafy lawns. Butterflies in colors bright, fluttering in the morning light. Bouncing balls and kites that soar. Magic's there and so much more. Puppy dogs and kittens play, chasing butterflies all day. Spinning tops and marbles roll, bringing joy to every soul. Shiny stars and moon's soft glow light up dreams where moonbeams flow. Cuddly blankets, bedtime tales, sailing ships with colorful sails. Wooden toys and painted blocks, trains that chug and tick-tock clocks. Storybooks with heroes bold, adventures new and wonders told. Splashing in the puddles wide, rainbow boots and coats to slide. Dancing in the summer rain, smiling hearts and no more pain. Little hands and tiny feet, skipping to a happy beat. Friendship, laughter, love and play, in the garden every day. Sing and laugh and run around, magic is where joy is found. Colors, shapes and happy days, in the garden where we play. Red is the color of an apple so sweet. Yellow is the sun that gives us heat. Blue is the sky so high and bright. Green is the grass that feels just right. Colors, colors everywhere we see. Red, yellow, blue and green for you and me. Purple, orange and so much more. Colors make the world we adore. Purple is the grapes we love to eat. Orange is